Let's be real. Your 20s can make or break your financial future. It's that decade where one bad money decision can delay your dreams by years, and one smart move can set you up for life. Most people in their 20s don't realize they're making financial mistakes until it's too late. But you don't have to be one of them. In this video, I'll show you the top financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s and how to start building wealth early, even if you're just getting started. Welcome back to the Guru Minds, where smart finance meets smarter you. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because this channel is all about helping you take control of your money and build financial freedom. Mistake number 1. Living beyond your means. One of the biggest traps in your 20s is trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Social media makes it so easy to fall into lifestyle inflation, designer clothes, weekend trips, and expensive gadgets that drain your bank account. Here's the truth. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Track your spending, build a simple budget, and avoid debt for things that don't increase your value or income. In your 20s, financial discipline is your secret weapon. Mistake number 2. Ignoring savings and emergency funds. Too many young adults live paycheck to paycheck, not because they have to, but because they never build the habit of saving. You don't need to save huge amounts. Start small, even 10% of your income, and automate it. Your goal is to build at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses as an emergency fund, because when life hits, job loss, medical bills, or car repairs, you'll be ready, not panicking. Mistake number 3. Not investing early. This is the single biggest mistake most people make. You might think you don't have enough money to invest, but the truth is, time is more powerful than money. If you start investing just $100 a month in your 20s, you could end up with hundreds of thousands by retirement. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. Don't wait until you're 30 or 40. Start now, even with little. Mistake number 4. Carrying credit card debt. Credit cards can be useful, but only if you know how to use them wisely. Paying only the minimum each month? That's how banks make billions off interest. Never spend more than you can pay off in full, and always check your credit report regularly. Each month? That's how banks make billions off interest. Never spend more than you can pay off in full, and always check your credit report regularly. Good credit can save you thousands when you buy a car, rent an apartment, or even apply for a mortgage later. Mistake number 5. Not having multiple income streams. Relying on one job is risky in today's economy. Your 20s are the best time to experiment. Start a side hustle, freelance, or learn a digital skill that earns extra income. That second or third income stream could be the difference between surviving and thriving. Remember, wealthy people don't rely on one source of income. They build several. Mistake number 6. Not learning about money. Schools rarely teach financial literacy, but that doesn't mean you should stay in the dark. Your 20s are the perfect time to educate yourself. Read finance books, follow trusted creators, take free online courses, and learn how money really works. Because ignorance is expensive, but knowledge pays the best interest. Mistake number 7. Not setting financial goals. If you don't know where your money's going, it's probably going nowhere. Set clear goals. How much do you want to save this year? How much do you want invested by 30? Break it down into small, achievable steps, and track your progress monthly. When you give your money a purpose, it starts working for you, not against you. Your 20s are the foundation of your financial life. If you avoid these mistakes, live below your means, invest early, build an emergency fund, and keep learning, you'll be light years ahead of most people your age. Because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through smart, consistent choices. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone in their 20s who needs to hear this. Comment below with which mistake you've made, or which one you're fixing starting today. And don't forget to subscribe to the Guru Minds, where smart finance meets smarter you.